Sinking driveway, settling patio, collapsing stoop, uneven pool deck. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, the 2nd of February. I'm James Spann. A lot of rain around here for the rest of this week and an icy mess north of Alabama. A lot to talk about, so let's dive in. This is the upper air look across the country. Got troughing off to the west, a southwest flow aloft over much of the central and eastern U.S., producing very messy weather. Obviously, clouds have socked in most of Alabama today. A little sun for the southeastern corner of the state. And the radar composite at 212, rain falling over much of Alabama. No thunder, nothing severe, just good old-fashioned rain. Temperatures are mostly in the upper 50s and low 60s, Birmingham at 58. On the extremes, we have 67 for Auburn, 51 for Haleyville. There's your flood watch. This is in effect for about the northern two-thirds of the state, basically along and north of US 80, and that is through tomorrow night. And, of course, north and west of the state, winter storm warnings in effect, all the way from New Mexico and Texas to northern New England and Vermont. We note there is an ice storm warning for places like Memphis and Louisville. But again, all of that icing stays north of the state. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. There might be a rumble of thunder for the western counties of the state tonight. And then tomorrow, the SPC has expanded the marginal risk a little bit. And this is a very low-end level 1 out of level 5 risk. But you can see that that does extend up to include Cullman and Gadsden and Anniston, and then back down to places like Greenville, Luverne, Troy, Andalusia, Mobile, Gulf Shores. The main threat with any storms that can fire tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night will be from strong gusty winds. This is the probabilistic outlook for tornadoes, and again, they've expanded this a little bit into the extreme southwestern part of Alabama. There could be a brief isolated tornado across southeast Louisiana, South Mississippi, and southwest Alabama. But again, that's kind of a low-end threat, the main issue coming from strong winds. But as always, with thunderstorms, you have to expect the unexpected, so we'll be watching radar trends carefully. And then day 3, which is Friday, maybe some thunder for southeast Alabama up toward the Carolinas, but no severe storms are expected. A lot of precipitation for the next 7 days, and quite frankly, for our part of the world here, the bulk of this will be now through Friday morning. Rain amounts for the northern half of the state between 2 and 4 inches, about 1 inch for the southeastern corner of the state. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 3. Trough out across the Great Plains states. We have a southwest flow aloft and a really messy look there for the eastern half of the country. Snow from parts of Oklahoma up into Illinois, Indiana, northern Ohio, upper part of New England. Ice and freezing rain, sleet for parts of Arkansas, west Tennessee, northern Kentucky, southern Ohio, up toward Pittsburgh. And, of course, for us, it's going to be rain. Let's go down to the high-res NAM. This is tomorrow at 3. And, again, you can see showers and maybe some thunder in progress, especially from Birmingham north and west at that point. This is tomorrow night at 8 o'clock. A good batch of rain and storms coming through. And, again, certainly a chance of some thunder, but with limited instability and dynamics. We're just not too concerned about severe weather for the northern half of the state. We'll have to watch southwest Alabama, where there is some instability involved. This is Friday morning at 5 o'clock. Now, the NAM wants to suggest the chance of a little freezing rain for the Tennessee Valley. However, the high-resolution HER model says nope. And we're continuing to lean with that solution at this point. We'll keep watching for trends, but the bottom line is Friday's going to be much colder. The rain will be ending from north to south. In fact, this is Friday at noon. At that point, the bulk of the rain basically south of the line from near Demopolis to Wedowee. But Friday, many locations will stay in the 30s all day. North of Birmingham, clouds will linger. Saturday, as the weekend begins, we're dry. Clouds probably will stick in place. We'll say mostly cloudy. The high Saturday, 47 to 50, but it looks like the bulk of the state will be dry. Little heat wave will pass through Saturday night, but moisture very limited. This is Sunday, the sky clearing. The high Sunday will be in the middle 50s. Monday will be a dry day, a colder day as thickness values come down. The high will be back in the 40s. This is Tuesday, mostly sunny with low 50s. And a week from today, Wednesday, the 9th of February, troughing to the north. And again, we are dry. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 12th. A zonal flow, heights below average. And again, we're dry and kind of cold. So it looks like most of next week for the state will be rain-free. Rain for Birmingham off the European Ensemble. The mean will be a little over 3 inches between now and the 17th of February, and a lot of that's going to be today, tomorrow, into Friday. And thought we'd check the snow output just for the fun of it, and basically no hope here for the snow lovers, just nothing but little noise here and there for the next 15 days. Temperatures. We might touch 70 tomorrow. That'll be the warmest day of the week. And then that high Friday of 46 might come just after midnight. We'll probably be in the upper 30s and low 40s all day Friday. 48 Saturday, then back in the 50s for Sunday and much of next week. And hot off the presses, got the brand new CPC outlook. This is for the 10th through the 16th of February. Temperatures here will likely be below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.